The following message is being transmitted at the request of civil authorities. This is an advisory message. Multiple people across the county have been discovered by law enforcement to have been strangled to death. Most victims were reported to have died multiple hours before discovery. A curfew has been placed on the following counties: Adamson County, Tricorn County, and Kruger County, from 6 p.m. to 8 a.m. until further notice. If you stumble across any corpse, dial 911 immediately, and leave the area. If you are out past the curfew, you will be considered an active participant in the murders, and arrested on site. Stay tuned for further updates. The following message is being transmitted at the request of civil authorities, in conjunction with government agencies. A dangerous new game started by teenagers in the area has led to the previously mentioned deaths. To anyone not familiar with the game, memorize this phrase. Don't say it, don't think it. Follow the